What I get from Lakeview that I can't get anywhere else is a wonderful community of parents. Like, I have a young daughter, and I don't have many friends who have kids. And so this is a great place for me to come and share the joys and concerns I have of being a parent with people who love and understand me and my family.
A welcoming, diverse, almost sort of a funky community of faith that encourages an individual relationship with God and an individual journey of faith. Oh, and some pretty kick-butt music too. I mean, how many other churches knock out Cyndi Lauper in the middle of service? So that's what I get out of Lakeview.
What I like about Lakeview Presbyterian Church is the diversity. There are so many wide variety of ideas out there. Some of them are really wacko, but they make me think.
And the fact that they're all really wacko means that we fit in just fine.